The original part from BMW, and as you can see, it's a hex. So it's a size 4 hex.
Nice.
Basically, this right here, this wire leading right there, is going to be your crankshaft sensor. You're essentially going to be using the hex key. I'm inserting it first into the bolt because it's very hard to align with the ratchet on with the socket. That's the bolt right there. That's the hex one. And yeah, I think I got it out all the way. I'm gonna feel around my finger, and then I'm just gonna try to pull the connector out together with the clip. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so the screw is loose because I can loosen it by hand. And we got the crankshaft sensor out. All right, guys, so the connector is out. This is my original one that I had in the car, and this is the new one. It already comes with a screw, so don't be scared of losing it. All right, guys, so let me just find it. New sensor is installed. We got it in. So I'm about to start the car, take it for a drive. And what I did was I put the sensor in first by hand, and then I tightened the bolt by hand. So I didn't have the hex socket in the ratchet. I just used my hand to tighten it till it was hand tightened, and then I did a few clicks because these have a very low torque spec.